Okay, we're gonna do this a little different. We've got infrared imaging here, but this is going to be the upstairs HVAC indoor air handler video. I forgot we don't have any light up here. This is HVAC indoor air handler. And that's our plenum right there. With that. So, let me see if I can take a picture. Recording succeeded. Alright. We got a picture. Alright. A picture of what, you may ask? I need an extra hand. I got too many toys. That infrared image right there where we stopped off was the air coming out of the air supply. There's our air filter. 20 by 25 by 1, and you want to replace that when you move in. Both air filters, you want a starting base. On the heating, that's our disconnect, even though we've got disconnects up here. Got disconnects down there. Unlike the downstairs one, I mean, we still have the exposed wire nuts for the low voltage control wires, like downstairs, but they're not in harm's way. They're up here, whereas the other one is down there in the closet. I'm not seeing a care and use manual. Plenty of space. Okay, so the heater's looking good. And on the cooling side, unlike downstairs, we have a shallow P-trap, and it's insulated. It's still a shallow P-trap. But unlike downstairs, we have a safety pan. We have a secondary drain line, and our pan is full of rust. All that rust. Not a good sign. And then on the venting, air filter, air leak, kinked air duct. Okay, you see some more? We can. We're lookers. We want to see some more. There's a fireplace without the fire blocking plate. There's the unprotected lights that I can't turn on. This is sagging air duct. So our air duct is kinked, and it's sagging, and it leaks. We have a shallow P-trap. We have rust in our pan. We do not have a care and use manual. And we have an open electric junction box.